Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily, your guide to speaking English confidently in everyday life.
And I'm Tom, here to make learning practical and fun. Hello, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life situations to help you use English naturally.
Today, we're diving into something exciting, visiting a community center.
Community centers are great places to join classes, attend events, or meet new people. But speaking English there can feel a bit tricky, especially in a new country.
No worries. We'll guide you through every step, starting with arriving at the center, then signing up for activities and asking about facilities with simple phrases to make it easy.
To make your visit smooth, check the community center's website for their schedule and services before you go. It saves time and helps you plan what to do.
Ready to explore your community? Let's head to the community center.
When you arrive at the community center, greet the staff and explain why you're there.
Say, "Hello, I'm here to learn about your programs."
Or, "Hi, can you tell me where the front desk is?"
If it's crowded, try, "Do I need to sign in to visit?"
You might also ask, "Is there a brochure with event details?"
And who can I talk to about joining a class?
Being polite and clear helps you get started quickly. It's a good idea to visit during quieter hours, like weekday mornings, so the staff can give you more attention.
Once you're settled, you can start exploring activities. Let's talk about signing up for a class next.
Community centers offer classes like yoga or cooking. Ask how to join.
Say, "How do I sign up for a yoga class?"
Or, "Can I register for the cooking workshop?"
For details, try, "What's the schedule for art classes?"
You might also ask, "Is there a fee for joining classes?"
And can I try a class before committing?
These questions help you find the perfect class. Make sure to check the registration deadlines on the center's website to avoid missing out.
After signing up, you might want to ask about events happening at the center. Let's look at that next.
Community centers host events like book clubs or festivals. Ask about them.
Say, "What events are happening this month?" Or, "Is there a book club I can join?"
For specifics, try, "Are the events free to attend?" You might also ask, "Do I need to register for the community fair?"
And, "Are there events for kids or families?" These questions help you get involved. Check the bulletin board or website for event flyers to stay updated. Next, let's explore the facilities available at the center.
Community centers have facilities like gyms or meeting rooms. Ask about access.
Say, do you have a gym I can use?
Or, can I book a meeting room for a study group?
For details, try, what are the hours for the swimming pool?
You might also ask, is there a membership fee for using facilities?
And, are there lockers or changing rooms available?
These questions help you use the center's resources. Bring a lock for gym lockers and check if you need a membership card for access.
If you're curious about memberships, let's ask about that next.
Some centers require memberships for full access. Ask how it works.
Say, how do I apply for a membership?
Or, what benefits come with a membership?
For costs, try, how much is the annual membership fee?
You might also ask, can I get a short-term membership?
And do you offer discounts for students or seniors?
These questions clarify membership options. Bring ID and proof of address when signing up, as some centers require it.
If you're attending with kids, you might want to ask about children's programs next.
Community centers often have programs for kids, like art or sports.
Say, are there classes for children?
Or, do you have summer camps for kids?
For details, try, what age groups are the programs for?
You might also ask, is there supervision for kids' activities?
And, how do I register my child for a program?
These questions help you find fun activities for kids. Check the center's website for age requirements and registration forms.
If you need a quiet space, let's ask about study rooms next.
Many centers have quiet areas for studying or working.
Say, are there study rooms available?
Or, can I reserve a quiet space for studying?
For groups, try, is there a room for group study sessions?
You might also ask, are there power outlets in the study areas?
And how long can I use a study room?
These questions help you find a good study spot. Arrive early during busy times, like exam season, to secure a space.
Next, let's ask about volunteering opportunities at the center.
Volunteering is a great way to get involved in the community.
Say, how can I volunteer at the community center?
Or, what kind of volunteer opportunities are available?
For specifics, try, do volunteers need any training?
You might also ask, how often can I volunteer?
And who do I contact to start volunteering?
These questions help you contribute to the community. Check the center's volunteer page online for application details.
If you need equipment for activities, let's ask about rentals next.
Some centers rent equipment like sports gear or projectors.
Say, do you rent sports equipment for the gym?
Or, can I rent a projector for a presentation?
For costs, try, how much is the rental fee for equipment?
You might also ask, do I need to reserve equipment in advance?
And, is there a deposit for renting items?
These questions help you access what you need. Always check the condition of rented equipment before signing it out. If you're curious about online services, let's ask about those next. Many centers offer online classes or resources. Ask about them.
Say, do you offer online classes or workshops?
Or, can I access community center resources online?
For details, try, how do I sign up for virtual events?
You might also ask, is there a website for class schedules?
And, are online services free for members?
These questions help you stay connected remotely. Sign up for the center's newsletter to get updates on virtual events.
If you need help, let's ask the staff for assistance next.
If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to ask the staff.
Say, can you help me find information about classes?
Or, I'm new here. Can you explain how things work?
For specifics, try, who can I talk to about event planning?
You might also ask, is there a staff member who speaks Spanish?
And, can you show me how to use the online registration system?
Staff are there to help, so ask away. Be specific about what you need to get the best assistance.
Before leaving, it's nice to thank the staff for their help.
After your visit, thank the staff for their help.
Say, thank you for helping me with the class schedule.
Or, I appreciate your guidance today.
You can add, the service here was really great. Thank you.
If you're happy, try, this was so helpful. Thanks to you.
And, I'll be back soon. Have a great day.
A polite goodbye makes everyone feel good. If you had a great experience, consider leaving a positive review online.
Now, let's practice the phrases we've learned today.
Let's practice key phrases to make them stick. Repeat after us.
I'm here to learn about your programs.
I'm here to learn about your programs.
How do I sign up for a yoga class?
How do I sign up for a yoga class?
What events are happening this month?
What events are happening this month?
Do you have a gym I can use?
Do you have a gym I can use?
How do I apply for a membership?
How do I apply for a membership?
Are there classes for children?
Are there classes for children?
Are there study rooms available?
Are there study rooms available?
How can I volunteer at the center?
How can I volunteer at the center?
Do you rent sports equipment?
Do you rent sports equipment?
Do you offer online classes or workshops?
Do you offer online classes or workshops? Wow, we've covered so much about visiting a community center in English today.
From arriving at the center to signing up for classes and exploring facilities, you're now ready to engage with your community confidently.
Remember to be polite. Ask clear questions and check the center's website for schedules and details.
Practice these phrases and you'll feel at home in any community center.
These expressions will help you join classes, attend events, and make new friends, no matter where you are.
Thanks for joining us on A Day with Lily. Keep learning and keep connecting.
This was Echo English Moments. See you in the next episode.